like they're going to be having a seatbelt contest.
Hold on. Wait a minute.
My auntie used to have a Ford Flex.So. For some reason, some white people used to hate freestyles because of the transmission. I mean, it's just a CVT. I mean, it doesn't even shift, but it can gain some speed too. Yes, I know about it.
Grab it.
New car smell still.
Hold on, I forgot something.
And we got this thing in June, and it's still smelling like new car. And it's August.
2 months old.
Basically, sunroof. You got yourself. I don't know if you can even see it. It's like dark in here, but anyway. So you got your own personal sunroofs in here.
I really don't want to do anymore.
We got our power liftgate back there. We got our sink. And some touchscreens here. Steven has that always closed down the way.
I'm keeping mine.
That one back there.
It's not broke,
stays up.
but wait, hold up. Okay, 1, 2.
Wait.
Wait, ow, mine's stuck.
Okay, mine wasn't stuck. Okay, 3.
1, 2, and yeah. Wait, mine's stuck again. Wait. Get off. Yeah, get off, Joe. 1, 2, and go. Oh, wait, hold on. Start. Yeah. Oh, okay, do it again.
1, 2.
Wait. When you do it, say me. Okay, do that. Get that light on. So you can see.
Huh.
1, 2, and go.
Me.
I won.
I'm second.
Man, I couldn't even see barely. Do it again.
No.
Wait. 1, 2. Wait, it's the final one because she's about to get in the car. 1, 2, and go. Me. I said it first. I said it second.
Oh. I forgot. I got this one. Hey, Graham. Is Mom asleep? Well, I'm about to go with Auntie. Okay.
I can't wait to see her present.
Windows? No windows, guys? Oh, okay.
Hey, messed on my windshield.
Oh,
Right there. Or right there. You gotta film it.
Yes.
Oh man.
But they're already in. Oh, what is it?
Wait. You see her auntie 74? Huh. Okay, that was George.
No. At night, yes it was. It wasn't even at night.
Yeah, because I remember, yeah, I had one of y'all with me down here.
At night. That helps. Well, that helps a lot.
Something smells good.
Oh my god. I smell good. Keep back up.
Oh, I forgot the power. Hey, sorry. Please say a command. Phone. Call Stephanie. Calling Stephanie on cell. Thank you. somebody here.
Grandpa Nick's there, and somebody has a red
Grandpa
Ranger.
Nick.
Wait, is that
red
what's
truck
called?
that is?
I've seen it before.
Hello. Hey, we're here.
Okay, come on in. Oh, okay. It's member.
All right.
Yeah.
Bye.
Okay.
Ah, butt ain't in the street. Watch the dirt you got. Hey, I gotta watch the dirt because it's like, oh.
Me on entry.
Hi, Stephanie.
I want to introduce you to my friend Aaliyah.
Hi, Aaliyah. I saw you in a picture. How are you? Nice to meet you. You're so cute and fashionable. Show her Coach bag and her shoes. Come over here. Oh, God. All right, come in. The place is a mess. You know, we're redoing it. Nancy, do you have to get back?
Oh,
She's
no.
waiting for her dad?
No, not yet. He'll call before he comes.
Oh.
Look, we stripped up the carpet.
Wow.
I have never seen it like this. All right, now we're going to leave it up. We're going to leave it up, too. You got to see. It's beautiful. Wood floor. Yeah, we're going to leave it. Floor. It's good wood. It's nice. Oh, beautiful. Hello, Kitty. Oh, okay. But yeah, I've been buying Christy. Wow. It doesn't have to.
Oh, no, I do.
It just, yeah. It doesn't have to. Yeah, she wears it.
I want another one. Oh,
They are moving out to move to California. And that's my nana that lives here, by the way. Not my husband.
Nana was in the kitchen with Dad. That's what I thought that was. All right. Hang it up. Your height.
does it light up? It looks
It
like
has a
it.
little thing. Oh, these fell out.
Oh, I need it somewhere.
You did it?
Oh,
Oh, I like your sandals. Great big catfish.
thank you. My mom had bought me some.
Super cute. I love detail. I got you some hangers to hang this stuff on that I got.
Yeah, it's soft.
And you know what? When you get these kind of hangers, your stuff doesn't fall.
Ooh, good gracious.
Get over here.
I like the way you do it.
Ooh, that is
It says stylish and fabulous. Oh, you're going to have to get that little shaver thing? Because I only had this for a few. It's already making those beads. I hate that. You have one of those things that scrape off the balls of the sweater?
yeah.
And it's something on the back. I think it says stylish and fabulous. Fashionable and stylish.
Wow, I like them.
Wow.
I like that.
I don't know why it's
Like the hanger. That's cute.
Ooh.
People are like,
You might have to wear like a warmer top like when you get hot room. So that's like lightweight. I want you to try it so I can see if I bought too big of stuff. It looks big, and I have one too tricky. I'm gonna bring mine down and show you mine. It looks big, but it fits tight. Like when I say tight, it's not. It's kind of blousy, but. I don't know what size. Yeah.